These are the images as they came in today. The MD-87 completely engulfed in flames by the time first responders arrived. A thick cloud of black smoke over the wreckage. 18 passengers and 3 crew members all escaping that burning plane. Tonight, one passenger saying she was shaking and shocked after jumping on the inflatable slide and then running from the wreckage. One very relieved first responder tonight saying upon learning everyone got out, it was an awesome feeling.
An aircraft, a single-engine plane with a lot of damage to its nose, but otherwise, and its wings, obviously, it's upside down. The wings have dislodged. It looks more like a crash landing than a straight-up plane crash, with the pilot obviously going nose first into probably the asphalt on North Decatur Road. We're told that there are no fatalities in this plane crash, nor any fatalities among folks in traffic on North Decatur Road, and that there is damage to power lines in this area. The traffic light at the intersection we're at now is out, as is, we're told, power in spotty areas around North Decatur Road and DeKalb Industrial Way. So the job now then for firefighters and for rescue workers then is to get the plane out of the way, get traffic moving. We don't.
At least 16 people have died and several were injured in a plane crash on Sunday in the Tatarstan region of Russia. That's according to the RIA news agency, who cited the emergency services. The TASS news agency said the plane had been carrying a group of parachute jumpers on board and that 7 people were pulled alive from the wreckage. The plane, a Let L410 Turbulent, is a twin-engine short-range transport aircraft. Russian aviation safety standards have improved in recent years, but accidents, especially involving aging planes in far-flung regions, are not uncommon.